Hello viewers and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be watching the birds eat. This is kind of a thing to feed the birds because, yep, why not? The thing is, these birds are near as tame as Egyptian geese. Yep. But I know this doesn't really get scared much. And yep, this bird does not stop eating. You can look at it. What I don't know is happening with the birds. Pigeons, yeah. I wonder how that's gonna go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, we are going to be watching pigeon eat. Oh, something's happening. What is going on? What is going on? Come on. I don't know what next. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video. Bye-bye and enjoy forever and ever and ever. Bye-bye.